Big Red Money Pit Garage. Thank you for joining me here in my lovely garage. So today, I'm finally going to clean out the thread chasing or cleaning all this threads on this block here. I'm gonna turn the camera around and give you kind of a viewing of what it's at right now. I'll get the tools and everything set up, and you can join me. Thanks. There it is. So this is where we're at right now. All of the cylinders are clean. The lifter boards are clean. But I'm just gonna chase all of these little bolt holes on both sides just to make sure they're clean before we take the next step. So here we go. Let me get the camera set up. All right, time for a little break. Got some of those bolt holes cleaned up, all the ones in the front. I'm having a little difficulty with some of the gunk that's in these threads for the head bolts. So I'm gonna let them soak for a little bit, come back to it. We've got some other cleaning to do on the block. Michael from Michael's Money Pit Garage may show up here in a little bit if we've got time to work on this. And if not, I'll just WD-40 the whole thing or oil it up and store it for another day. Thanks for watching. Still a little messy with all the lubricants everywhere, but all the bolt holes are now done. We're gonna re-oil this thing up and put it away for the night. Got a couple things planned, some trips I've got to take, and then when I get a free weekend, we will start the assembly process by putting in that beautiful Scat 400 crank. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.